Good evening, dear students. You are most welcome in your YouTube channel Learning with Rajesh. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 from Geography in 10th class. So I hope you got all the points of lesson number 1 easily. So the first point of lesson is what do you mean by biodiversity? As you are going to read about forest and wildlife, it's related to biodiversity. So that's why we should know about the biodiversity firstly. The meaning of biodiversity is the existence of different kinds of plants and animals on the earth is known as biodiversity. You know it very well also. So the second point of the chapter is benefits of biodiversity. You know very well that the biodiversity has plenty of benefits for human beings. The first benefit is biodiversity improves the ecosystem. You know that in ecosystem plants and animals are depend and human beings also depend on each other, and biodiversity improves the ecosystem. So next point, so in the previous chapter we learned that bacteria are found in the soil and it improves the fertility of soil. So third point is plants improve the air quality. You know that we are growing more and more plants for benefits for more oxygen, you know. So after that you learned about the benefits of biodiversity, I hope. So third point of today's topic, India is rich in flora and fauna. Explain it. You know, you learned this point is ninth class NCRT in a topic natural vegetation, I think. So today we are going to read it again in 10th class. India is rich in flora and fauna. We are going to explain it from the first point. 81,000 species of fauna is found in India, 47,000 species of flora is found in India, and 15,000 species of flowers also found in India. You know it very well. And the fourth point, 8% of total species of the world found in India. So that's why we know that India is rich in flora and fauna. So I think you got the point easily. So next point of the chapter, biodiversity in danger. So nowadays Indian biodiversity in danger because we have some data about danger of biodiversity. Why Indian biodiversity in danger? Because 10% of flora and 20% of fauna in danger. So some are in extinction like cheetah, Asiatic cheetah. You'll learn this subtopic in the next points now. The fifth point of the chapter is classification of species. You know that there are 6 types of species according to IUCN. But firstly, we are going to learn about the meaning of IUCN there. So IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So there are 6 types of species according to IUCN. So what are these types? We are going to read the different types one by one. The first type is normal species, which are normal in number, like cattle, sal, pine. These are the some categories of normal species. There will be a separate objective type question in the exam that, so please tell the cattle, so in which category of species cattle are included, so you can answer that normal species is answered. So I think you are getting all the points. So tell me please, what are the benefits of biodiversity? And you know the answer very well. So as you know that bacteria improves the fertility of soil and of plants, improve the air quality, and you know that they also improve the ecosystem. Next we are going to read about the classification of species according to IUCNs, and there are 6 categories, and we learned the first one, normal species. Second is endangered species, which are in danger of extinction. Danger of extinction, if the reverse conditions are regular. Reverse conditions means lacking of shelter and lacking of fodder and uh, air and trees. It will be extinct. It means danger of extinct. They are in danger. But if the conditions are reversed, they will be in extinction. So some like black buck, you can consider black buck as endangered species. So I think you got the second point also. So endangered species are which are in danger of extinction. Third point, vulnerable species. The species whose population is declining. Population is declining. For example, they were in 100 in number, and then 19 number, and then 18 number. It means their population is decreasing day by day. So these are species known as vulnerable species. So as you know that Asiatic elephant and Gangetic dolphin is considered as vulnerable species. I think you got the point. Fourth point, rare species which are small in population. Small in population. You have to underline these points. Small in population. These are known as rare species. So, for example, Himalayan brown bear and hornbill are considered some example of rare species. Fifth point, endemic species. Endemic species here means which are found in a particular area. For example, Nicobar pigeon is only found in Nicobar area. So that's why these are considered as endemic species. Sixth and the last species, I am going to ask a question firstly now. So tell me the meaning of endangered species. I think you got the answer that they are in danger of extinction. You know this answer very well and you learned it now. So the sixth one, last point, extinct species which are not found anywhere in the world. For example, pink-headed duck and Asiatic cheetah. These are some example of extinct species. I think you know all the points, all six species, classification of species very well now. So seventh point of the lesson is where has the Asiatic cheetah lost? So there is a main topic in box in the lesson, where has the Asiatic cheetah lost? So we are going to read about some reason of losing, or it means why the cheetah lost from India and from all over the world. So first one, we are going to read about the features of Asiatic cheetah. First feature is Asiatic cheetah belongs to cat family. Here is misprinted, I'm sorry. So to cat family here, cat family. So next one, it runs with a speed of 112 kilometers. And sometime we considered leopard here, written as leopard as cheetah, but it has a symbol of tears along with eyes. So along with eyes, it has a symbol of tears. So you can consider that if a symbol of tear is that, you can consider it as a cheetah. So next point, so why the Asiatic cheetah in danger? Because people are hunting. People hunted it for illegal trades. So that's why it has lost. So in India, it is lost from 1952. It is lost from 1952. You know that. So there will be objective type question in the exam. So in which year Asiatic cheetah is considered as lost from India, and you can answer that from 1952. I hope you got all the points of today. Thank you and have a nice day. Please share and subscribe the channel and like also. Thank you and have a nice evening.